If you need to connect an app, email client, or device to your Gmail account and the normal sign-in method is not working, then creating a Gmail app password can help. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a Gmail app password step by step, and I'll also show you how to use it safely once it's generated. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com/security. This is the Google account security page, and it's where you manage sign-in options and account protection settings. Once the page loads, sign in with the Gmail or Google account you want to create the app password for. Now look for the section called How You Sign In to Google. In this area, you should see options related to your sign-in security. Before you can create an app password, Google requires two-step verification to be turned on. So if it is not already enabled, click into that option and follow the steps to turn it on. You may be asked to confirm your phone number, device, or another verification method. This step is required because app passwords only become available after two-step verification is active. Once two-step verification is enabled, go to myaccount.google.com/app-passwords. This is the page where Google lets you generate special passwords for apps and devices that do not support the normal Google sign-in process. If Google asks you to sign in again, do that now so you can continue. After you're signed in, you'll see a field to enter an app name. This is just a label to help you remember what the password is for. For example, you could type Outlook, iPhone Mail, Thunderbird, or whatever app or device you are setting up. Then click Create. Google will now generate a 16-character app password on the screen. This is the password you will use in the app or device you are trying to connect. Make sure you copy it carefully because it is shown only once in this form. Now let's talk about how to use it. Go to the settings for your Google account inside the application or device you are setting up. When it asks for your password, replace your normal Gmail password with the 16-character app password that Google generated for you. In most cases, this will let the app sign in successfully without needing your usual login flow. A very important security tip, an app password gives complete access to your Google account just like your normal password, so you should never share it with anyone. You also do not need to memorize it, so there is no reason to write it down anywhere unsafe. If you ever stop using the app or device, you can always return to your Google account settings and remove that app password later. And that's it. You've now created a Gmail app password and learned how to use it correctly. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.